This month on Images, COD's Manufacturing Technology program produces students for immediate job placement. Experience cutting-edge emergency responder training at the Homeland Security Education Center. And hit the road to gainful employment with COD's truck driving school. All of that and more on this edition of Images. Hi, I'm Rio Almaria, admissions representative at College of DuPage. Welcome to Images, the program that keeps you up to date on what's happening here at COD. Even in the face of a tough economy, employment and career growth opportunities are plentiful in manufacturing. College of DuPage's Manufacturing Technology program prepares students to fill industry needs by providing training in a wide variety of skill areas in product manufacturing and services. COD has also partnered with local manufacturer Flexco to offer a special career advancement certificate for their employees.
The manufacturing industry today has certainly exploded. There's a great skills gap between the amount of jobs that are out there and the amount of people that are trained to do them. Here at the College of DuPage, in last year, I received 65 requests for people to come work. Most of them were multiple requests. So far this year, I'm up at about 40, and considering we're in supposedly a recession, there is a great need out there, and I don't have enough students to fill these high-powered positions. The skills that are needed are obviously good workplace skills where an individual is able to come in on time, be dependable, be accurate, have a passion for what they want to do it in the industry, and a passion to learn because the industry is changing. Certainly technology has impacted manufacturing in a lot of ways, and I can only imagine what it'll be like in 5 years. So you have to be a lifelong learner to be successful, not only in manufacturing, but in any industry. At the College of DuPage, we have an advisory committee that meets twice a year that tells us what is current in the industry and what to expect. Just as important, they evaluate our program by hiring the students that we provide them and give us feedback on what we do well and what we need improvement in. We also have business partnerships where companies do send us individuals either for specialized training or for all the training to certainly upgrade their needs. And our goal is to certainly have that individual come back to the company the next day and show their boss or their supervisor something that they didn't know the day before and obviously want to make the company more money. Flexco Corporation in Downers Grove saw a need to upgrade the training of their employees. Guess what? The community college's mission is to provide that need, and certainly we were able to attract at least 12 people from Flexco last year who came in, took specialized classes in either metrology, metallurgy, machining, and they were very happy with the results and continue to send quite a few people to our facility for this type of training, including their supervisors.
Flexco manufactures belt conveyor components for heavy-duty and light-duty industries for companies all over the world. We do a lot with mining and agriculture as well as food service. We hire for production-related positions in our Downers Grove facility and our Grand Rapids facility, as well as office positions like marketing, engineering, accounting, human resources, but the majority of our business is in manufacturing. The skill sets that would help make applicants successful in the manufacturing field would be knowledge of technology, good math skills, business writing capabilities, also good knowledge of different manufacturing processes. The training our employees receive at COD is through what we call the Flexco Manufacturing Certificate Program, where they take 6 core credit classes, including metrology, metallurgy, technical mechanics, and they take those courses and they don't receive a certificate from College of DuPage, but they do receive a certificate from us as a company. The program is designed to encourage employees to go back to school, and if they wish to, they can pursue a certificate program through the the college, or they can also move on to an associate's degree if they choose.
I was able to join that program, and what it does is it allows us to go back to school at the College of DuPage and attend classes, basic classes for the company. And that has allowed me to know more about the company, how to use those resources and apply that to this company. The manufacturing classes at the College of DuPage have helped me understand a different side of the business as far as quality control, how the things are made in a tool room, and how important it is to use our instruments, things that I wouldn't normally use on a daily basis. But now I have the basic foundations of that, and I've learned that through this certification program.
Flexco is on the advisory board at COD because we believe that the COD program is a wonderful program. We're really impressed with the manufacturing program and the other educational opportunities offered by the college.
Well, our manufacturing program offers classes both in the morning and in the evenings. A majority of our students are currently employed in the industry. Consequently, when my job board fills up, they're already employed. I'm very proud of the fact that all of our part-time teachers currently work in the industry. I believe that's a powerful statement to make to a student, that the individual that's instructing them actually does what they're teaching them for a living, and adds a lot of credence to what the students are learning here, and also keeps us up to date on what's new in the industry. Our most popular degree or certificate is manufacturing technology. It covers almost everything an individual would know to be a great, beyond an entry-level employee in manufacturing. It includes machining, precision measurement, metallurgy, drafting and design, and again, a good turnkey to get into the industry. We have a drafting and design certificate and degree, which also is very popular because certainly there are needs for that in the industry also. Lastly, our automated manufacturing certificate is probably the most popular certificate to be to this date, as that's where the most jobs are needed for people to go out into the industry and operate the equipment. Here at the college, we keep up to date with the equipment, and again, listen to industry's needs and try and meet it.
For more information about the Manufacturing Technology program at College of DuPage, visit us on the web at cod.edu. Connect with COD. Learning happens anytime, anywhere with COD Online. Choose from nearly 200 courses spanning 41 disciplines, all designed to provide you with high-quality instruction, support services, flexibility, and convenience. COD offers more online options than any other Illinois community college to help you achieve your educational goals. For more information, call 630-942-2380 or visit us online at cod.edu. The Homeland Security Education Center is home to COD's criminal justice and fire science programs, as well as the COD Police Department and the Suburban Law Enforcement Academy. The facility is also equipped for agency training and continuing education for all types of emergency personnel at the local, state, and federal levels.
In the face of an emergency, when every second counts, when lives hang in the balance, we rely on this country's emergency first responders. We give them our hope, our trust. It takes a certain kind of person to want to be a hero. It takes specialized education and training to prepare them to be one. Homeland Security education at College of DuPage includes extensive continuing education programming for public safety personnel to keep the skills of our emergency first responders sharp, allowing them to keep the people, your homeland, secure. College of DuPage recognizes the importance of continuing education and professional development in these crucial professions at the local, state, and federal levels. Now, our award-winning instruction is raising the bar for training even higher with the new Homeland Security Education Center. Located on COD's main campus in Glen Ellen, Illinois, it is the first facility of its kind in the Midwest. In order to maximize interagency operability and turnkey service, the HEC is equipped with high-tech practical laboratories to enhance beyond-the-classroom training like never before. The cornerstone for tactical training in the HEC is the immersive street scene. It is the first non-military 4D immersive training lab in the country. Used for firearms and force-on-force demonstrations, police community activities, vehicle and building search and rescue tactics, this space prepares students and trainees for any situation, any environment, with features such as lighting to simulate different times of day, to apartments that can be reconfigured and filled with smoke for reduced visibility. The Emergency Management Training Center utilizes state-of-the-art intelligence technology for disaster response. Other practical laboratories in the HEC include a forensic science lab to study evidence collection, cyber and internet crime investigations labs, an ambulance simulator, a 4-story training tower for rappelling and other rescue activities. And to demonstrate and recreate legal proceedings, the auditorium also functions as a mock courtroom. In addition to training, the Homeland Security Education Center at College of DuPage is also available for immediate use in disaster response and prevention, as well as crisis management operations. The facility is equipped for actual missions requiring ready access to intelligence, communications, and tactical resources. In 2012, numerous state and federal agencies and the military utilized the HEC as the state forward operations in support of the NATO summit in Chicago.
We're here for multi-agency, multi-jurisdictional coordination. We needed to get closer to the city with the right facility for our needs, and College of DuPage was the perfect fit. For us, we have the ability to communicate with an entity like the College of DuPage that completely understands the mission as it's laid out in front of us, knows what resources we need in order to accomplish that mission, and it allows a seamless integration from the government sector to the private sector. And this is a great opportunity for us to utilize world-class facilities that really can't be found anywhere else.
Hi, I'm Joe Cassidy, Dean of Continuing Education and Extended Learning at College of DuPage. We built the Homeland Security Education Center with your needs in mind. This impressive facility fortifies COD's position as an educational leader, serving the entire spectrum of training required for emergency response personnel. From those entering their careers to highly specialized training for public safety professions at all levels. We invite you to learn more about how our facility and resources can meet the demands of modern training in an increasingly sophisticated security environment.
See where cutting-edge training happens. Learn more about the Homeland Security Education Center at College of DuPage online at cod.edu or contact Joe Cassidy at 630-942-2316.
College of DuPage's new program for commercial driver's license training not only allows future truck drivers to earn their fully endorsed Class A license, the certificate puts students behind the wheel for a high-paying career in the trucking industry.
Our students leave here with what's considered a fully endorsed license, so they'll have a Class A CDL Illinois license issued by the Secretary of State. They'll also have the 3 endorsements on there, which would be a tanker license or an endorsement, a double and triple endorsement, and then they'll also have a hazmat license, so they'll be able to haul hazardous materials. There's plenty of jobs in this field right now. The industry, for several reasons, has, at this point in time, the estimate is about 250,000 jobs. They're looking at 500,000 jobs by the year 2014. Warehousing's picked up. A lot of people are shipping by rail nowadays, so it has to get there or go from there by a truck. So there's a lot of work out there.
In pretty good detail, we're going to cover everything from the equipment, the income you can expect, benefits we offer. My name is Jim Benarkowitz. My title is a Midwest recruiter with US Express. The College of DuPage here in the Chicago area and across the Midwest is one of the better programs that I work with on a regular basis. We see a high quality of students. The faculty here, everybody that works in admissions, are excellent at what they do. They understand what the needs are. They have a great background in this industry. They understand what the needs are, and they provide US Express with some quality students.
I decided to go into the trucking program because I've been out of the job force for a while and did some research, and the trucking industry has a big demand for drivers now, and it is going to continue into the future. I didn't realize how much was involved in becoming a truck driver. It's more than just learning to drive a truck. You have to log your hours, plan trips, learn to read a map. There's a good mix of classroom and driving. You're very scared when you get in the truck the first time, but they're good instructors. Mandy's very patient in the truck because you start out grinding gears, and I know for a professional truck driver, that is not a noise they like to hear. So they're very patient and knowledgeable.
Actually, I was a driver for Coca-Cola and Miller Brewing Company about 20, 25, 30 years ago. Got out of it, was a stay-at-home dad. And then I started to think about driving again. So that's when I decided to go to COD. Chris Bell and Manny, the instructors there, you know, I talked to them. You know, these guys have been in the business and industry before, so I figured they could get me on track and, you know, get back to my driving skills that I had before. You know, that's another thing about College of DuPage. Chris and Manny, they, you know, when I went there, they helped me find the career path, you know, and they helped recruit, and they found this job for me, which was awesome. Since the program's open, we've had 100% job placement. Every student that's graduated has been placed in a job, which is great for us, and that has a lot to do with the recruiters and our job placement companies that we work with.
College of DuPage here in the Chicago area and across the Midwest is one of the better programs that I work with on a regular basis.
I've loved driving a truck ever since I was 16. I started driving, and you know, I got out of it. Of course, then I became a stay-at-home dad. I said, well, I wanted to get back into it, so. And I waited a little bit later in life to do it again, but I'm glad I did it again.
I plan to drive over the road to get my experience before I do any kind of local driving. So that's my goal for the future, and I hope I love it.
For more information on commercial driver's license training at College of DuPage, visit us on the web at cod.edu or call 630-942-2275. Coming up next, Images explores the world by studying the art and science of geography. Connect with COD. Learning happens anytime, anywhere with COD Online. Choose from nearly 200 courses spanning 41 disciplines, all designed to provide you with high-quality instruction, support services, flexibility, and convenience. COD offers more online options than any other Illinois community college to help you achieve your educational goals. For more information, call 630-942-2380 or visit us online at cod.edu.
What is geography? If you think of geography as just being able to find a country on a map or name the state capitals, you'd probably be surprised to learn that geography is so much more. Geography is the art and science of location. Of course, maps and map making will always be an important part of geography. From the ancient skills of drawing maps to the modern application of GIS software to make maps that offer solutions and answer questions. Geography is more than just knowing where a place is in the world. It is understanding places and what happens in these places. The interaction between people and the places we inhabit make the world a dynamic, interesting place, making geography an exciting and essential field of study. And College of DuPage is an excellent place to discover the art and science of geography. This is an exciting program with skilled faculty bringing geographic facts, concepts, and thinking to students. Students at COD take geography courses for a number of reasons. There is a great deal of relevance in geography to other fields of study. Geography courses offer complementary insights to the study of political science, anthropology, sociology, economics, earth science, and other coursework at COD. All of our courses transfer to four-year institutions. In fact, students transferring to four-year schools benefit from COD's wide array of geography courses. Ultimately, a degree in geography is flexible. Geography majors are prepared to handle a wide variety of problems, and the job outlook for geography majors is favorable. They are actively involved in urban, regional, and natural resource planning boards. They work internationally for governments, banks, investment houses, and agencies. They serve on state and federal environmental protection agencies. More and more, geographers work in the private sector handling resource allocation and disposal problems. The world needs geographers. An understanding of the people and places of the world helps form a well-rounded citizen and a favored employee. You've heard people say, the world is shrinking. You've experienced the way people are connected across great distances, barriers that would have made interaction impossible not that long ago. Even the worldwide dedication to green initiatives and sustainable resources is key. All these things increase the importance of and the demand for geographers, now more than ever. Discover the art and science of geography at College of DuPage.
For more information on geography courses, certificates, and degrees, check out their pages on the web at cod.edu/program/geography or call 630-942-2495. Waterleaf is a professionally run, full-service fine dining restaurant located in the Culinary and Hospitality Center on COD's main campus. Featuring freshest ingredients and locally grown produce, Waterleaf boasts a seasonal menu with contemporary flair. Within the restaurant's first year, it received numerous awards and rave reviews, making Waterleaf a premier fine dining pleasure in the Chicago area.
From the very moment our guests enter the building, whether it is to stay in a hotel or for dining at Waterleaf Restaurant or both, they can tell they have stepped into something very unique, very special. I am Jean-Pierre Leroux, General Manager of the Inn at Waters Edge Hotel and Waterleaf Restaurant, both located on the main campus at College of DuPage. I invite you to visit our restaurant and experience for yourself that impression and the satisfaction from the first-class service we work hard to provide. Combined with the Inn at Waters Edge, our offerings suit anyone looking for a five-star experience. From a seasoned traveler to your out-of-town guest to a weekend getaway in a western suburb and already receiving marvelous reviews. Our patrons appreciate the creativity and flair our executive chef brings to the cuisine. There is a French influence, of course, but with a contemporary appeal that is truly something to experience. Our menu is seasonal, featuring the freshest possible ingredients, locally grown ingredients. We have artisanal cheeses, handcrafted pastas, fresh seafood and steaks. Customers rave about our daily seasonal specials, all prepared with a passion for exquisite cuisine. Your meal is unique, interesting, delicious. And trust me, you do not want to miss the opportunity to sample the opulent desserts, including trio of chocolate, floating island, bread pudding, and mango crumble. For cocktails, before or after your meal, we have a very special bar area. Intimate and comfortable, yet may still be a lively social place. Our guests enjoy unwinding near the fireplace, taking in a view or gathering around the bar. To complement your meal, we have an impressive wine list with more than 150 carefully selected varieties and organic blends. Some of the finest wineries from around the world, South Africa, New Zealand, Spain, and excellent domestic from Napa Valley to Long Island are represented in our wine room, allowing us to serve some incredible pairings. In the dining room, there is an atmosphere, a comforting ambience that enhances the dining pleasure. It is elegantly decorated and overlooks the peaceful lake water. The venue is perfect for romantic evenings, gatherings with friends and family, celebrations, business occasions. Combined with the Inn at Water's Edge, our offerings suit anyone looking for a five-star experience. From a seasoned traveler to your out-of-town guest to a weekend getaway. I invite you to stay at the Inn at Water's Edge and dine at Waterleaf Restaurant. Luxury accommodations and exquisite cuisine, elegant venue with impeccable service, all make for an unforgettable experience.
For more information on Waterleaf Restaurant, including menus and a link for reservations, visit waterleafrestaurant.com. Images is your program, keeping you connected with exciting events and interesting people that make up COD's vibrant community. Be sure to tune in every month to catch the latest and watch past episodes on demand at cod.edu. That's it for our program. I'm Rio Almaria. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.